Upgrade your thermostat. Recheck every control board connection immediately to prevent hidden failures and ensure long-term reliability. When replacing or upgrading a thermostat, start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming 0 voltage with a non-contact tester. Then remove the old stat and photograph the wiring for reference. Label each conductor with tape and a fine tip marker to prevent miswiring during reinstallation. Strip only as much insulation as needed for a solid wrap or secure terminal capture. Too much exposed conductor increases short risk. Too little prevents reliable contact. For screw terminals, bend the bare wire into a neat hook and tighten while pulling gently to verify a mechanical hold. For push-in or clamp terminals, insert fully and tug to confirm capture. Clean any corrosion on the control board with a small brush and isopropyl alcohol before reconnecting. And inspect solder joints and trace paths for hairline cracks caused by runtime vibration. Match common wire functions to the new thermostat's requirements. Heat call, cool call, common, fan, and 2-stage or variable control leads. And map any manufacturer-specific control pins against the board diagram. If the control board has removable terminal blocks, seat them fully and secure the mating connector clips. Loose block seating is a frequent intermittent fault. After power is restored, use a multimeter to verify control outputs. Check voltage presence on the expected terminals during call conditions and confirm that relays actuate and that the system responds to each mode change. Finally, run the system through a full cycle for at least 10 minutes per mode while monitoring for unexpected drops or spikes in voltage and for any error codes from the thermostat or equipment. One of the most common mistakes is loose wiring causing intermittent heating or cooling. Search engine optimization, keywords like thermostat, wiring troubleshooting, and loose thermostat wire fix apply. And the clear fix is to retighten screws, retest wire capture, and replace frayed conductors. One of the next frequent issues is misassigned terminals after upgrade, leading to non-functional features. Use thermostat installation guide, wire labeling best practices, and terminal mapping tips, and remedy by cross-referencing your photos, the new stat manual, and the HVAC control board diagram before powering up. One of the third mistakes is leaving corrosion or poor solder joints unaddressed that later cause failures. Search keywords such as control board corrosion repair and solder joint inspection. And the solution is careful cleaning, reflowing suspect joints with a temperature-controlled soldering iron, and, when in doubt, replacing the control board. BigHomeProjects.com lists vetted local HVAC and electrical contractors so homeowners can quickly find professionals experienced with thermostat upgrades and control board work. The directory helps contractors get local leads by showcasing verified reviews and service specialties. Using the site speeds up getting qualified help when rechecking connections is beyond your comfort level, reducing risk of warranty voiding mistakes and ensuring reliable long-term operation.